Alright, hello students, we're back. So this is the task for your revision over the HBL, and I hope you use this opportunity to actually figure out which are the topics that you probably need to revisit soon, because well, I mean, things that we have learned before doesn't mean we forget, right? So here's the first question that where we are trying to add two fractions together and want them in the simplest form, right? So how do we go about doing this? Okay, so let's express it as a single fraction first for the first part, right? We got 2 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x squared minus 1. Now, what we need to know is that x squared minus 1 is actually x squared minus 1 squared. So I could factorize it, and it will end up as 1 over x plus 1, x minus 1. Which means now, when I put that as a single fraction, the denominator will simply be x plus 1, x minus 1, because that's the LCM of the denominator. Here I will have 2 times x minus 1 plus 1, right? And that will reduce to 2x minus 2 plus 1 over, well, denominator I can write it as x squared minus 1. That works. And that will mean that the final result will be 2x minus 1 over x squared minus 1. Right? So that's the first part. In the second part, we are told to solve it. So let's create some space here. So part B, to solve this, we are basically solving 2x minus 1 over x squared minus 1 equals to 1, right? Because they're equivalent. So 2x minus 1 equals to, cross multiply, you get x squared minus 1. So x squared minus 2x excuse me, equals 0. Factorize. X minus 2 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 0 or x equals to 2. I hope that works. Let's go to the next one. Right, in this second question, we have a diagram here, and we are told that there's a parallel line MN and AB, and the dimensions are all there. Okay, stating our reasons clearly, name a triangle which is similar to triangle LMN. So LMN, so basically we want to actually prove that there's a pair of similar triangle there, which isn't all too difficult, because this is quite a classic case. And plus there's parallel lines, right? So we can say that angle MLB, sorry, not MLB, MLN, right, is equals to angle BLA, right? Angle BLA, and this is your vertically opposite angles. Yeah, and the other one that we can say will be angle LMN. Angle LMN is going to be equals to angle LBA, right? And that will be alternate angles. Because AB is parallel to MN. Right? So therefore, triangle LBA is similar to triangle LMN, and that is due to our AA similarity test. Right? So part B, we want to show that AB equals to 9. So, well, what we can do is, well, just by some comparison, right? Because they are similar triangles. So, come on, where's my Apple Pencil? Right, B. Right, we know that AB over MN is going to be equals to AL over NL, right? So we had that the length over there. Okay, so now what happened is AB is what we want to find, Mn is actually equals to Bn, correct? Because of the little symbol here telling us that they're equivalent, therefore it is 6. AL is 6 over 4. So therefore, AB equals to 6 over 4 multiplied by 6, which is equals to 9 cm. Shown. Right? We should put shown here too as well. Right? Okay, all good. Part C is given that the area of LMN is 9 units, so 9 square centimeter. Calculate the area of triangle BAL. Right? So let's see what we have here. Right? So what we have is that we have area of triangle BAL, right? BAL over area of triangle MNL. This is equals to, right? Because they are similar, so the ratio of the area will be the square of the ratio of the length. Okay, so the BAL, we know that this is, let's label this, this is actually 9 units, this is actually 6 units, so it's the comparison is over there, right? That means this will be 9 over 6 squared, which will give us 3 over 2 square, 9 over 4. So that's the difference, right? Now the area, right? Then we will try and find it. Area of BAL, right? So area of BAL. Now, do we know the area? Now, LMN is actually the same as MNL, correct? Which is actually 9 units. So therefore, area of triangle BAL over 9 is equals to 9 over come on, my Apple Pencil is a bit weird today. Right, here we go. Therefore, the area of triangle BAL will be equals to 9 over 4 multiplied by 9, which is equals to my calculator. Okay, A1 is 20 and a quarter. See, my Apple Pencil is out of battery maybe. Maybe I should charge it for a little while before I continue. Centimeters square, right? Okay, so that's for this question. Okay, so moving on. Express that quadratic into the form, this completing the square form. We are familiar with that, we can do that, right? So let's go. X squared plus 4x minus 1 is going to be equals to x squared plus 4x plus 2 squared minus 2 squared minus 1, which will result in x plus 2 squared minus 5. Success, right? Okay, hence using the result, we want to state the coordinates of the turning point. So the turning point will be -2, -5. We got this, right? And finally, this part 1. Part 2, we want to sketch it, so we can do that. Okay, but of course we need the few information first. We know that the turning point is at -2, -1. We know that it's going to be a U-shaped curve. The y-intercept is going to be -1. That's great. So it's a U-shaped curve, right? There we go. It will look like this: x, y, -1. This point here will be -2, -5. All good. Okay. All right. Moving on to the next question. The volume of cylinder A is 648 and the volume of cylinder B is 375, right? So it's given there. The vertical height of one is x, the other is 11. Okay, so this is again a proportional question. All right, we similar object, we know what to do. Right, so we know that the volume of A over volume of B is equals to the excuse me, the length, right, to the power of 3. So filling in with the values we know, so 648 over 375 equals to x to the power 3 over 11 to the power 3. How much is 11 to the power 3? That's our calculator. 1331. So continuing, x cubed will be equals to 648 divided by 375 multiplied by 1331, which gives us 2299.968. We cube root this. Oops, wrong button. That will be 2299.968, and that will give us 13.2. There we go. Okay, or 13 and 1/5. That works as well, right? So that's the value of x. Okay, right. Moving on. Next one. Simplify each of the following completely. Well, we know what to do about simplifying this. We try to factorize. So let's see if we can factorize this. 1 minus a squared minus 16 over 30 minus 11a plus a squared, right? So this will be the same as 1 minus a squared minus 4 squared over a squared minus 11a plus 30. So the numerator will be a squared minus b squared scenario, which will give us a plus b will give us 5 minus a, and then we have negative a, negative 3, and then we factorize the denominator using the cross method, which will give us a minus 5, a minus 6, right? So what we can do is, okay, the negative a, negative 3 over here, if I take out negative 1, I can flip the other one, right, which gives us a minus 5. Now here's a plus 3 over a minus 5, a minus 6. Final result, we have a plus 3 over a minus 6. Okay, that works. Okay, on the other side, again, we'll try to factorize this. Okay, we have part B, 8 minus 2x squared over 3x squared minus 9x minus 30, right? Extract out 2 first, I should get 4 minus x squared over, extract out 3, I will have x squared minus 3x minus 10. That will give us, it's 2 squared minus x squared, right? So 2 plus a, 2 minus x over 3. Here I will have x. Then I can break it up into 5 and 2, right? So it's negative 5, positive 2. Okay, so 2 plus x and x plus 2, they are the same, so they cancel out. Actually, in division is a better word. So 2 minus x left. On the denominator, we have 3, x minus 5. Okay, if you want to write it more cleanly, it will be 4 minus 2x over 3x minus 15. That works. Okay. Right, next question. Question 6. It is given that y equals to, okay, that value over there. We want to find the value of y when a is 13 and so on. So this is actually just a calculation skills, right? So y is equals to 3, 1.8 plus square root of 13 minus b squared. When we press our calculator carefully, we should get 8.4. That will be fine, right? Part B, now we want to make A the subject. So what we can do is we have y minus 3x equals to square root of a minus b square, right? So a minus b square is equals to, square both sides, y minus 3x square. So a will be equals to y minus 3x square plus b square. There we go. Okay. Question 7, given that w is directly proportional to q cubed and w is 24 for particular value of q, find the value of w when this value is half, right? So w equals to, well, we just use a constant k, q cubed. This is fine, right? Now, what happened when the new value of q is actually half of q? So the new value of w is k q over 2 q, right? Which gives us k q cubed over 8. So this will be equals to the original w over 8. So the new, which will give us 24 over 8, which is equals to 3. There we go, right? Question 8. If y is inversely proportional to x, and then these are the values, let's find the value of y when, so when x is equals to 8. So y is equals to k over x. This is quite direct, right? So when y equals to 3, x equals to 4, that will give us 3 equals to k over 4, k is equals to 12. Therefore, the actual equation is y equals to 12 over x, right? So when x is equals to 8, right, y is equals to 12 over 8, which is equals to 12 divided by 8, 1.5. There we go. So that's the answer. Part A. B, therefore, y equals to 12 over 8. Just write it down, right? Okay, moving on. We have a distance time graph. Okay, that's fine. Find the speed of the object for the first 3 seconds. So if this is a distance time graph, the speed naturally will be the gradient, right? So the gradient for the first 3 seconds is, yeah, we can do that. Okay, so the speed will be the rise over run. So I just check out the rise. The rise is 20 minus 5. The run is 3 seconds. Okay, so that will give us 5 meters per second, right? Part B, find the average speed for the whole journey. So average speed means now I need the total distance divided by total time, right? So what's the total distance now? Total distance is actually from 5 to 20, which is 15, and then after that the journey back another 20, right, which gives us 35 meters, huh? Okay, so therefore average speed equals to 35 meters divided by 10 seconds, which will give us 3.5 meters per second, right? So with this, I hope you are successful, right? Check your work, do your corrections, learn from mistakes, get better, all right? Have a nice day.